Hey guys, good evening. So I thought of before going for the today's market scenarios, I thought of sharing a couple of important news. If anybody holding the shares from JP Infotech, so like there is a problem with the companies and it's about to it's going to be delisted from the stock exchange. So as of now it's trading almost 2.9 rupees. Even today also it's almost 3.57 has been hiked. So if anybody holding the stock over here, so as soon as you can close the stocks. If you're booking loss also doesn't matter, so you just need to close the position, whichever position you're holding. After delisting I don't think so the stockholders will get anything, so like it's going to be zero only. So just check your portfolio. If you're holding the stock, please close. And okay, that's it. So let's look at the Nifty. So we'll start from the day candle. So day candle has been given again the red candle. So it's like as we promised, it's opened up as I told you yesterday itself. It's opened up little almost 78 point hike only. So it was trading completely normal till afternoon. So as soon as 1 o'clock, the FIA started to sell. So that is only the major reason, and I don't think so. What is the reason for FIA to sell? Um, in my point of view, I feel it's completely for the profit booking of FII. So that is only the reason they started to sell. And see, you could see the so these are the data. The FII sold almost 745 crores and DII brought almost 447 crores. See, yesterday it's closed around 15,719 and today it's opened up around 15,788. So it's went up to 15,812 and it was trading in the sideways till 1 o'clock. So from 1 o'clock the FIA started to sell and it's almost fell 160 points, and from there small kind of recover has come and again it's went down actually. So if you could see the the red line also, um, exactly our line has been trading exact the price action. Like if you could see, this is the first target which we got given. So from the first target it was taking support, taking resistance and continuously, and from 1 o'clock onwards it's drastically down. So the first fall which happened from 1 o'clock, it straight away hit our first target, and from there it's recovers some little point, and it's this middle line which I was keep on telling. So the rate keep on getting support and resistance over there only. The same thing repeated today also, and again it's fall down, and it's took the clear support of our first target and get the resistance at our middle line. So this is how Nifty traded, and the Bank Nifty also the same thing happened. So the global market and everything is looking good only. So if you could see the global market, Nasdaq is green, European markets are green, and Asian markets are green, and it's purely about the profit booking of FIIs. See, the same thing was happened in the bank nifties also. So before going for a tomorrow's key level, the key level remains same only. So I'm not going to change anything over there. So, and let's see how do we go about the call option and put option. See, if you could see the call rating has been aggressively happened in 15,800 in today itself. Today only these are the changes. See, 15,800 has a huge call rating, and 15,850 and 15,900, and nearby one 15,750. So it's quite difficult. It's quite a not quite difficult to cross 15,800. And the same thing, so the key levels are still remain same only. So at the same time, in case the market goes 15,800, so there is a lot and lot of possibility to market go down immediately basis. The same thing which happened today. See, 15,800 has been crossed, and it's tried to break 15,800 and unable to break, and it went purely sideways, and from there huge sell up has come. The same way 15,800 going to be the huge resistance, and downside there is a possibility getting the support at 15,700. At the same time, you can see the good support at 15,661. At the same time, you can have a look, like you can keep a note on the key levels. So as soon as the market comes meet of 15,661, so there is a possibility to go outside upside, sorry. And there is a possibility, and the same way, if the market reach 15,800, and there is a lot of possibility to market go down. So you can keep these two levels. So I'll make in a which color, okay, blue color, dark blue. So these two key levels you can keep it in your radar, so it will help you. So as per the open interest also, it's clearly says the market going to be trading between 15,800 to 15,661. So I'm just keeping these two as a blue line, so you can also have a note. And this line 15,724 going to be the huge. It's it's getting support, and it's getting resistance also. So if it's trading near to this line, so don't take any calls. So you need to, it's like exactly the middle of both the blue lines. So you need to be much careful when the market trading in between these lines. Okay, so let's have a look at the Bank Nifty. Let's have a look at the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is not that much weak as Nifty. So Bank Nifty has a clear support at 35,000. See, the Bank Nifty has a clear support at 35,000. So it's when comparing with Nifty, I'll be a little bullish about in the bank sectors. See, and the upside it's 35,500, and immediate resistance going to be 36,000. So market expect to trade in between 35 to 36,000. So in between, it's currently trading in 55,200 rupees. So I don't think so it will break, it will go below 35,000. So 35,000 will be the huge support, and the key levels still remain same. And it's quite difficult for me to calculate how to go about the trade. And the same time, you can keep this 35,096 as a good support. So as soon as there is a possibility, as soon as it's touch 35,000, there is a possibility it may go up. And top side up to 35,970, there is a possibility. So you can keep a note. And 35,445, the same key level which I had given last 2 days, that is the upside. And the downside 35,272. So you can keep the key levels. And other than the stocks which I used to keep on telling you to, for the swing trade and all, so one is Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank, it's getting support at 3,311, and it's going upside only. So I'm expecting little bit above side. So by uh, 2 weeks it may reach 346 if I'm not wrong. Let's see. And Bibro also, it's 0.05 plus. It was gap up opening, still it's couldn't get the support and go above side. So it's still getting the support at 525 rupees. So you can start to accumulate all the for the long term or swing trade. So there is a possibility it will go till 560 rupees. And IndusInd India Bank, that is also in the same scenario. Like yesterday I had given some put option, and it's still in a resistance mode only, so I don't think so it will go above side, so I'm expecting. So this is a trend line which I have you know wrote on today. So there is a possibility it will make touch 1033, and from there there is a possibilities to go down. So if you could see, there is a either break up or break down. So until then I feel like it will trade in between these levels only. So maybe end of this month there is a possibilities to go above or go down. So let's see what's happening. And there is a news about Ratan India. This they are planning to open the online booking from 17th of July. So I am expecting one more rally exactly like this. So I brought couple of shares when it was 21 rupees, and it went up to 53 rupees. Okay, there is another small profit booking has happened. So from there is a possibility to get rally. I am expecting this by end of this month it may reach up to 80 rupees. If I'm That is what I am expecting. And Tata Motors also getting a good support at 301 rupees, 305 rupees, and it started a moving higher side. So one more negative factor is Tata Motors is not expecting good sales for next 1 year. So I'm expecting one more these kind of falls in coming days. Maybe in another 1 week time, there is a possibility the same kind of falls, like almost 8 to 9% fall. I'm expecting. So let's see. So if it falls also, so I'll be taking a good. I'll be ready to accumulate the stocks, and most of the IT stocks are trading in negative. So if you could see in last 1 month time, so every stock in the Nifty were trading in red in the sideways, except you know IT stocks. So IT stock keep on rallying. See, from 21st May it went up to 3214 and small resting, and again had a huge rally up to 3400, and it's going down. So this line also I have written today only. So let's see what I'm expecting. It's getting support at over here. So from there is another rally I'm expecting. And today morning I have taken another call, which is Ultratech Cement. So when it was trading around over here, so I took 7,000 call option around 172 rupees, and it's went up to 283 rupees, but I booked the profit little early. And this also we can keep an eye on it. So I'm expecting couple of profit booking in coming days. Yeah, that's it. And trade carefully. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. And if you want to open a demat account, there is a link in the description, so where you can get the demat account open through that link, where I'll be adding your you know your number to my WhatsApp group, where I'm giving the personal indication to all the people who are whichever the trade which I'm taking. So that's it. Bye, see you tomorrow.